Bitcoin collapses, and what is the next for the Bitcoin? In today's episode, let's break down the charts. Let's talk about Bitcoin and what is the best decisions to do right now and what we need to expect from this current state of the market, because like massive things is happening. So in today's episode, let's break down all of these things. And before we jump into the charts and before we break down Bitcoin, I cannot not mention that my free educational program is live. So I highly suggest you, each one of you, hurry up and get inside, because that's a really great opportunity for you to learn trading, or if you are already experienced trader, that's a really great place to you to be there, because we got closed group and all other things, closed chat, and like free educational courses, like basically they're live already. So first, join our Telegram channel, and the first link, as you will join our Telegram channel over here, you can see that I pinned that message and you can get it, right? Here's like crazy good deal for each one of you. For that, you just need to registration on the Bybit, right? And you can grab that free educational program, actually, which one is costs a lot of money, and a lot of solid traders will charge you and write for you great check for that. But I'm giving you all for free, so I really highly suggest you to jump to that free educational program. It's really very easy, and I think it's really useful. So right now, let's go to the charts and let's talk about Bitcoin, because some crazy things is happening and we cannot ignore that. First of all, what I want to mention, that I was talking about that. I was expecting the scenario that most likely we're going to fall, right? But we couldn't ignore one thing, that we saw impulse. Here's the impulse, right? I'm not going to break down it by waves. It's not necessary. We can see some kind of impulse over here because the uptrend is there, right? And right now, what we currently see after the impulse follows the correction, right? So our question is, do we need to long or not? So as you can see right now, the targets is a 0.5 to 0.6. So I'm going to mention the targets where the correction usually comes on the Bitcoin, right? And those are the targets. So from these zones you want to play, and from these zones you want to make some decisions on the Bitcoin. And what we currently see, usually Bitcoin's correction comes to 0.5 to 0.6, right? Very rarely it's happening that we touch the 0.7, such a deep as happening right now, right? And only after that go higher. So I don't believe that. I don't think that it is gonna happen. More likely what I'm thinking about and what I was talking about in the previous videos, right? And I was mentioning, and each one of you, I warned you that that's the really big possibility of that. And I was calling even here, I was calling even here, right? In every place. And right now we almost get to this bottom again, right? And the major scenario is what? Here you can see wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very likely that we are still in a wave 4 right now, right? So this wave 4, first of all, is one of the longest wave in the 5 impulsive wave structure by Elliott's waves. And as you can see, look at this range, look at this, how long time we are trading over here. So that's a really pretty solid, and that's really a lot, because that takes like 100 days. We are just flattening on the one place, right? People got super tired already. Like this is something like really disgusting for each trader, investor. Doesn't matter if you are somehow connected to the Bitcoin. So basically, and chart is telling us what? The chart is actually telling us that there is likely that we will go even once again to the bottom, and only after that maybe we're gonna see some kind of the continuation of the uptrend. Because basically, let me clean this local scenario, which one we don't care, right? Right now we are talking about the global scenario. So if we're going to take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning and the end of the trend over here, right? End of the wave 3, I would say we have a targets as a 0.5, 0.6 over here. You can see that from here, right? And you can see that we didn't, these zones didn't work out yet. So this 0.5 and 0.6 area is usually where the most likely Bitcoin comes. So this is where we are expecting the price, right? And then we're going to see if there is the more confirmation for reversal. Most likely we're going to trade it on the smaller time frame and gonna take some longs over here. But before that happen, and before we gonna bounce, first we need to reach this target. So our target is 0.5 to 0.6. I was expecting this scenario even here. I was expecting here, here, and here, because I keep in mind, and when you keep in mind, I million times repeating for you guys that you are doing the proper risk management and everything goes really, really well, because a lot of people right now is losing the money because Bitcoin collapses, and like basically on a smaller time frame, right? right? We are seeing on the smaller time frame that, look at this, trend is uptrend, and right now we are breaking this trend, and basically this is create for us like something such kind of that we are going lower, do you know, like something such kind of. So basically this is why it's something crazy is happening, and that's what I was talking about. That what I want to warn you all of these months already, because I was calling that since like 100-day already, right? So basically, yeah, this is what we're expecting. We're expecting 0.5, 0.6 area. After that, after reaching this area, we will see if there's the more confirmation for uptrend, we're gonna enter the longs, right? So basically on the smaller time frame, in a local scenario, looks very bearish right now, right? And a bigger time frame as well looks bearish. But one thing you should not ignore, that still we are in the correctional zone. So basically, if we're gonna take a Fibonacci here and here, you can see that we are, yeah, we break the 0.6 area. Sorry for my dog. So basically, yeah, we break it the 0.6 area and we are going to 0.7. And basically, if we're gonna break that area, that's all. That's not impulse anymore, this yellow one on our market, and we are going much more lower. So basically, what is happening? Altcoins looks pretty well. I highly suggest you to accumulate some of in your bags. If right now is not the time for panic. First of all, calm down. Everything is fine, right? Nothing actually changed on the higher time frame. We was expecting this scenario. There is a likely that we will reach this $55,000 to $52,000, and that's only one thing should to mean to you, that you can accumulate more coins, you can accumulate more Bitcoins, and basically you will buy on the cheaper prices. So why not, right? This is the one of the most important thing, right? That going higher sooner or later is gonna happen, right? Most important, do the proper risk management and do the proper managing of your entries, right? So for that one, I highly suggest you first of all join our Telegram channel, and second one, join this free educational program, because basically it's all for free, guys. I mean, everything, all the courses which I put it over there, and all these lessons which I got, it's completely for free, guys. And like you can become professional trader just for free education program, where I can guide you and help you how to find the right way in the trading and how to become the profitable trader. So basically, yeah. In my Telegram channel, I'm gonna call this one. If there's something gonna change, if I'm gonna open any positions in my Telegram channel, I'm gonna talk about that. So do not miss join the Telegram channel for sure. The link in the description below. So basically, yes, Bitcoin collapses. Some crazy things is happening. A lot of fear on the market, right? And the major suggestion for you, what I can give you, do not panic. Do you understand? Just do the proper risk management and manage your entries right now, because basically, yes, we are falling, and I cannot see reversal model right now, to be honest, right? I cannot see any reversal model over here. We are breaking very important areas already, right? And as we reach this 0.5, 0.6 area here, we didn't see any confirmation that there gonna be some kind of uptrend. I was really very mindful, look at here, and we didn't enter the longs, because basically that was very obvious here. We tried to break it, and finally we break it, and most likely we are going much more lower, right? So basically, yeah, that's a good time to accumulate some altcoins, because altcoins seems very good. And my Telegram channel, I gave that signal over here, I think, right? That's a V chain as well. Look at this, how beautifully we enter in the buying zone. So right now it's really good time to accumulate some V chain or some other. A lot of altcoins right now is getting really interesting. So this is why, guys, do it, and do not forget to do that, because every time I spend attention, every time the price already bounces and you want to buy, or when it's already late. So right now it's not late. Just DCA, do not go all in, do not go excited, and do not get fear, right? Do not be scared of anything. Everything is fine, everything goes to according to plan. And right now we actually just retested the higher range, right? Higher range of this channel over there. And right now, most likely we are going to the lower range, and the most likely it's gonna be something such kind of, and I'm expecting the prices as a 55, 52 K, and from there let's see if there are gonna be the more confirmations. We're gonna open the longs and trade there. If not, we're gonna most likely short, because from here most likely there gonna be some kind of bounce for sure. Bounce gonna happen, and this bounce gonna be very interesting. If there are gonna be more confirmations, we enter in the shorts. If we're gonna be more confirmation for longs, we are entering longs. The plan is simple. We just follow the plan. Turn off all your emotions. If you want to any support, join our Telegram channel as well, and there write your emotions, and we're gonna deal out with everything, right? Do not be scared. So for all of these people who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are the new one, I highly suggest you subscribe to the channel, press that likes, and leave some comment. Make some noise, guys. I need your support, and that helps me to, it motivates me for you to create for you crazy cool content. And about the free educational program, we're gonna come back. I'm gonna announce that as well, but before that, there's only 100 plays for that one, so why not, guys? Join it and hurry up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next, and bye bye.